Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily transfer crypto from Kraken to Binance. So the first thing you want to do is just be in Kraken, click on funding, and then you want to find your crypto assets that you have, and then go on the right side and click withdraw. Now when you're going to be here, you want to add a new withdrawal address. Then go back to Binance. In Binance, find a coin which is the same that you want to withdraw from Kraken. Click deposit. I have a Bitcoin here. Deposit. And right here, you need to copy the address. BTC. That's it. Now, I'll just add address label. Bitcoin. Binance. And voila, here we got it. Add a new address. So then you will get an email that needs to that's like a real address that you're gonna send money to, and this is pretty much it. Now, as you can see, I got a withdrawal address here, Bitcoin Binance, confirm address, successful approval. Now I'll just simply choose my address, and then I just withdraw the amount. Guys, before we continue, just what you need to do is to actually send a test of, let's say I have $10,000 that I can withdraw. Send 5% first, then send everything else. Don't be like, oh my god, I'm going to send everything and then I'm going to lose money. Don't do it, okay? First, send small amount and then send everything else. 5%, 95%. So this is pretty much it, how you can send crypto from Kraken to Binance. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.